In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate a PDF using the comment tool. By the end, you'll know how to add notes, mark up text, suggest corrections, draw on the page, and manage everything in one place. Start by opening your PDF and choosing the comment tool from the tool panel on the right side of the window. This switches your workspace into annotation mode and reveals the tools you'll use throughout the document. To leave a general note, pick the sticky note tool, which looks like a speech bubble. Click anywhere on the page where your remark should live. A small icon will appear, and a comment box opens so you can type your message. Sticky notes are great for high-level feedback, reminders, or calling out ideas that aren't tied to a specific piece of text. If needed, you can drag the note icon to reposition it so it's anchored exactly where it's most helpful. When you want to mark up text directly, first select the text you want to comment on. A quick toolbar appears with options like Highlight, Underline, and Strike Through. Choose Highlight to emphasize important passages, Underline to draw attention without adding color, or Strike Through to signal content that might need removal. This is a clean way to guide readers through what matters, what needs review, and what can be cut. If you need to suggest a specific correction, select the text that should change and choose the Replace Text tool. In the comment panel that opens, type your proposed wording. This keeps the original text visible while clearly presenting your suggested replacement, which makes it easy for reviewers to compare and approve updates without guessing what you intended. For more visual feedback, use the drawing markup tools. Select an option like the pencil for freehand sketches or the cloud to encircle areas that need attention. Then draw directly on the page. These are especially useful for diagrams, layout notes, or when pointing to areas that don't map neatly to text selection. As you add annotations, open the Comments List panel on the right to view, manage, and reply to everything in one place. Here you can read each comment, respond to questions, clarify your intent, or update the text of an annotation. You can also delete anything you no longer need and keep the conversation organized so nothing gets missed. That's it. With the comment tool, sticky notes, text markups, replace suggestions, and drawing markups, plus the comments list to keep it all organized, you're ready to review PDFs clearly and efficiently.